Hello everyone, welcome back to Cheat Day. I'm very excited because today is all about frying things.
I love frying things.
Me too.
Wait, what day? Show should come out on a Friday. Every
I
day's
see what you
Friday
did there.
on Cheat Day.
Every day is Friday in my apartment because I deep fry a lot of things.
Really?
Mm-hmm. But not only are we gonna deep fry some things with this, we're going to air fry things.
This fascinates me. I don't understand what this
Never
machine
used it,
is.
very curious. Let's go.
Is there a thing that explains what it is?
I think,
Let's go to the FAQ.
I mean, it's doing the same thing as this, just without the oil.
But
So it's just getting real hot inside. It's like a pressure cooker almost, maybe.
Oh, that makes sense. Well, actually, it's interesting because like people are like, oh, frying's so oily or whatever. But if you're frying correctly, like it doesn't, like
No,
the
well,
oil
no.
doesn't get into the food till it saturates. It's surrounding it.
And then you put it on a plate with a nice napkin or something, and then that seeps up all the rest of the oil.
Yes, yes. If you leave it for a long time.
So deep
then-
frying things is actually healthy.
Well,
A lot of people think that you need to make your own batter to deep fry things, which a lot of people use like pancake batter, or they'll make stuff from scratch. I personally like to use crescent
it's
rolls.
very smart.
It's much easier and probably more fattening, but it tastes great.
So the idea is we're comparing these two things.
Yeah, I want to see which is better. It's
right.
like, do I need to invest in an air fryer? I keep almost saying air dryer, and I get that that's not what it is.
What are we doing first?
I think we should start with
Just fried cheese? Oh, that's the most satisfying. Wait, you didn't get a pop. Where's the pop?
I'm about to. Are you ready?
Oh.
It's like me in any pair of jeans. Okay, so I will say that the technique I use is that you really have to
You make it
like,
smooth it out, like thin?
I would, yeah, like give it a nice stretch.
Oh, we're basically making like mozzarella sticks.
It's kind of like giant raviolis, but with crescent rolls.
It's like making a mozzarella in carrozza, which means mozzarella in carriages, which is basically a fried grilled cheese.
Sure.
And we're using
I
cheddar.
feel like they're like kind of like cheese pillows.
That's nice.
This would be my technique. I'd roll it up. Well, this doesn't roll as easy as Velveeta does, which is a cheese product, not actual cheese. Okay, got a nice little slice, and I'm gonna put it right there. And then I'm gonna wrap it around, seal up the sides,
Oh, you don't use the whole thing.
press it down
Well,
a little, get it nice and flat.
little
So this is my technique. They look great. Got your cheese pocket ready?
I think so. It
Okay.
looks a little like a little empanada, kind of.
Oh, it does. I love empanadas. They're
Me
great.
gusta la empanada.
My second favorite thing to deep fry is marshmallows.
Wow.
It's so good.
That's innovative.
And then if you have it with ice cream, top notch.
You ever put chocolate in there? Do a little s'more
I
variation?
have done that. It's pretty great.
Okay, I've used your thinner partial method this time.
And they stretch more if they're a little warm, so
Stick it in your armpit.
let it warm over this
Oh,
for a
or
second.
that.
Or put it in your armpit, that works.
I have deep fried quite a lot. Not a lot, but a good amount.
Do you have a deep fryer or do you just put like oil
Nah, I
in
just
a
put
pot?
oil in a pot. It's
See-
definitely harder to do because controlling the temperature is super challenging.
Yeah, and I
You
did
have
that
to-
one time and then it splattered on my face and I got burned.
Yeah, you really need to have like a special thermometer
Yes.
that just stays in there and you monitor it.
Okay.
It's definitely easier with a
You
machine.
definitely with marshmallow.
See? You need full coverage.
Yes, you need full coverage because otherwise marshmallows expand very quickly when they get hot. So if you have some peeking out,
smart.
it'll just like. And then also with deep frying things, frozen things in the frozen section at the grocery store, you can just buy it and it doesn't have to be battered. Like French fries, we can just like dump it in there. But we do have Oreos, which we should definitely do. Ooh, Oreos
Mallow
smells
membrane.
so good. Like that was like a really nice fragrance. They should make perfume.
The irony is, it's called battering, but you have to be very gentle with it.
Yep.
Ooh,
does that mean it's ready?
Oil's ready. Oh,
the
that's air.
non-oil.
Air's ready.
The air is ready to fry.
So there's no oil in there at all. It's literally just a machine.
Yeah.
It's fascinating to me. It's very weird. I don't understand the
And
mechanism
I
at
compared
all.
it to a pressure cooker earlier, but like I don't know what a pressure cooker does.
A pizza pot. Oh, got it.
You're so Italian. Definitely just.
And I will begin again. Oh, got it.
Oh, I'm so curious to see how this works.
It's just an empty basket with
Kinda looks
nothing
like-
in it.
It's very warm.
Okay, let's put some of these in here. It's very hard to cook sitting down. This is cooking we're doing. All right.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Put them in there.
And we're in.
It does look like a weird giant coffee pot.
Looks like a droid. Crank it. All right.
Okay, there we go.
And we're off.
Oh my god.
We could also take this time to make a Frankenstein thing with everything in one, which is the thing that's what the people want.
Yeah, but like cheese and marshmallows.
It's what the people want, Lils. Oh, okay. It's fun. What a thrill. That's what I'm talking about,
That's a
Jill.
large fry. Well, so I do think cheese and fries are great. So at least I'm gonna marry them a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be absolutely disgusting.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness!
Show us.
Wait, and they're so not
What?
oily.
What the hell?
Oh my god, I think they're done.
I'm blown away by this freaking air fryer.
Oh no, the marshmallow has to come out. Oh no. Oh, we're exploding.
Ooh, that looks good. Plate, we chef. Plate. Plating. These look good. You did good.
See, these look more like you just baked them.
Yeah, weird.
The marshmallows smell so good. It's just like fried sugar. Okay.
Great.
Visually, yours look more
Baked.
done.
They look done. They look baked.
But like
Yours look more like crispy. Like I'm thinking fried.
like it'll
That's
like
what
melt
I'm-
in your mouth kind
Yes.
of situation. This might be a little dry.
I know. I'm very dubious about this.
So what should we start with? Do
What
you
do you
want to go
want?
cheese
I'm
pocket
easy.
first?
Oh, let's do cheese pocket.
Okay,
Little
so
cheesy triangle. Here we go. Just want
it's
to
a
get
nice cheese pull.
Oh, ooh,
Ooh.
oh, pretty good pull.
Okay, so I'm
Pretty,
gonna put this over here for you.
pretty good.
He
pull.
did get a better cheese pull, but mine is.
Whoa!
We might be-
Spider-Man
is this a
pull,
record?
baby.
I think we just broke a
Oh
world record.
my God! This cheese pull won't stop.
Holy
This is the air fry.
Yeah. I mean, it's great. You can't really up cheese and bread, so.
I mean, that's good as hell. That's really good. Is this your fry one?
Okay.
It'd be so good with a dipper too. A little ranch,
Or like tomato soup.
tomato soup, or like
these
I
are
love
literally
like
like little
organic
grilled cheese
ketchup has like more like
Chunks.
cinnamony flavor to it, like
Okay, I'll give you
clovey. All right. Cheers.
Deep fried.
Sorry, I don't like it as much. I got like a huge blast of like hot canola oil, and I was like,
Is it weird that I kind of like that?
no, that's not weird. That's not weird. Maybe it's just the oil I have a problem with. If you use lard in there, I would probably
We
be
did go
like,
to the Heart Attack Grill in Vegas, and they cook everything in lard, and it was pretty great. Okay, well, definitely this is much more oily, even though in the beginning we were like, there's not that much oil in it.
Well, I also think it's tough because we're not using batter. Using the crescent roll thing, like crescent rolls already taste so flaky and buttery when you just bake them.
It's true.
You know?
Well, I just want you to try the marshmallow because
great.
it doesn't matter what we cooked it in, it's gonna be great.
Do we have to vote on which one we think is best? I think the air fryer is better with cheese.
I don't totally disagree.
Mallow.
It was pretty good. The mallows are some of my favorites. They're really good with ice cream
really
too,
excited about this.
but we don't have ice
Which one is that?
cream. That was
Wow.
mine.
I like it. I can't explain it. I'm not faking this.
Let's eat yours.
I think this is the mallow.
I think it's gonna be good.
But I feel like it all melted out.
They get kind of hollow and the mallow
like it
gets
literally
hollow.
all leaked out, I think.
But this is just gonna be, smell it, it's like sugary and great.
Oh,
This is way better.
damn, it's so good.
I think I'm gonna start using that instead.
Damn, that's
And
so
I honestly
good.
think that was faster and it cooked it more thoroughly. Woo!
Okay, let's do this. Smells
It
real
just,
good.
look at, this just doesn't cook it, that cooks it all the way through.
It feels like the Oreos like become part of the cookie, like it's mushed through. You know what I mean? Not cookie, the biscuit. The
It like melds together.
Yeah.
Well, I just think that the air
Air fryer.
God, what is wrong with me? The air fryer.
probably the
seems
dryer
like
close.
it,
Real quick. You know when they're like, oh, I forgot to run the dryer. I don't have any clean underpants. Probably just
throw
throw
it
them in the
in.
air dryer. No big deal. We'll both get one. Okay.
Let's eat yours first.
Okay.
That's good.
Delicious.
Very dry though.
I don't know. I mean, like Oreos already have like a crumbly.
Yeah.
I love that. I don't know.
Let's try number 2. This oil, it's okay. I like that it's like a little more moist, but the oil does, you can taste it.
Yeah, so we're learning a lot about oil.
Maybe I didn't realize that how much you could taste it until I tasted the other option.
Yeah, that's interesting. So it really makes a difference what you fry it in.
Yeah, okay, French fries.
Okay.
This is probably, I don't. That's fine.
Which one are you trying now?
That was mine.
I have the air dry one. Here, this is
I guess
this
you
is
can
a
have the
brown.
uneaten one.
Oh, this is,
Yours is not cooked.
yeah, yours is way better.
That's potato. Yeah, well, that's
Your
pretty
French fries
simple.
win.
Okay. 1 out of the 4.
Okay. All right, I want to do this monster one now.
Okay. Okay, so Jill insisted that we do this monster.
Jill insisted. The audience insisted.
That's true.
We want to give the cheat day audience what they want. It's
true.
not just our cheat day, it's your cheat day too. We're all cheating together.
But we're just the ones that
We're all
out and
cheating, then
throw
it's
up
not really
later.
cheating, right?
Yes.
That's just new rules to
Anyway.
the game. Anyway,
So now we're gonna make our giant sandwiches. It has Oreo, cheese, marshmallow, and French fry.
all in one. It's the Frankenfry. You try 5. This was good. Which one did you like the best?
I mean, cheese is my favorite on a daily basis.
That was the best one.
But marshmallows, I'm telling you, when you eat them with ice
Yeah.
cream, it's kind of the best thing you've ever had.
Go. Smells good.
Does it?
I think it smells good.
I'm confused. It's a lot of sense.
Not up close.
Oh, that's a lot of grease. That's like gonna be, that's almost translucent.
Easy.
You can almost see through that.
Easy, greasy, beautiful.
Crescent roll.
Grandma didn't need tongs. I don't need tongs. I think I want to do a cross section.
Yeah, I think we should definitely slice her open. Oh. I guess I didn't slice it correctly because I just sliced 2 halves and, well.
Oh my god.
You know, you could put that on
What's
Instagram
this?
and people
There's
would
magic
think that
everywhere. What's this? What's this? It's dabbled with the hair.
It,
I mean,
it weirdly isn't.
That's good. That's good. I mean,
It's really not bad. No, it's a familiar, like the cheese and the marshmallow together tastes like something.
well, you ever have like, ooh, that's interesting. Do you ever put cheese in your apple pie? You ever had that?
No, but I do think
It's
that's
like
weird
that.
too.
That's good. I just don't like the oil.
Yeah, the oil's very overpowering. I'm taking this home, by the way.
I'm sorry. That's so gross. I'm sorry to be that person.
I'm so shocked that this combo though is bad.
Yeah.
Oreo, cheese, marshmallow, and French fry. I mean, potatoes make everything better, and so does cheese. So I guess it makes sense. But
Honestly, I would take the potato out just because you don't need it. And that's not really cooked all the way.
that's true. Final consensus. I think we're leaning towards the air fryer.
Wow, I'm seriously surprised.
I really didn't think that was how this was gonna go.
I didn't either. I think to be fully fair, we'd have to try different
With some different oils, yes. Perhaps
Like-
your lard suggestion.
Lard, I think, or yeah,
Mm-hmm.
or peanut oil, or just a canola oil, just to try it. To be a full, true, scientific, double-blind kind of situation.
What he said. Anyway, let us know what else we should fry if we should do this again with just this maybe, and just fry
it
everything.
up. Fry it up.
I don't know. The episode's over. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.
Fry it up.
Click left to watch us eat prune foods on cheat day, or click right to watch our skin get probed at Kiehl's.